Hello class, have you missed me? Sorry I didn't do a video last week. It was a short week with Veterans Day and the like, and I just didn't feel like making one. But hey, this is our second to last week, your last full week of actually having to learn anything. So hooray, the end is near. So yes, I have to finish grading some of your papers. I'll get those done hopefully in the next couple days. Last week of learning, our topic is regression and correlation, though we kind of already done correlation, but mathematically they're related. And the good thing is, since I taught you guys how to do pivot tables earlier on the first Excel-based assignment, for this second and final assignment, there's pivot tables in there you need to make. So hopefully you'll be able to tap into what you learned. Regression, not that hard. This is what we call simple linear regression. It's just a single independent variable, that's our x, and a single dependent variable, that's our y. We call the y the criterion variable. And they're usually both quantitatively, continuously scaled, so they're not categorical in any way for our intents and purposes. And that is it. The only difference between like a regression and a correlation with a single x and a single y is basically the same analysis. You're just specifying the order instead of saying there's a relationship like you would in a correlation. You're saying x is causing some effect on y, and that effect is what we call our beta, or our regression coefficient, or r squared. It's the percentage of variance accounted for in our y variable by our x variable. And that is pretty much it. If you have any questions with this last Excel-based assignment, just shoot me an email with your file and I'll help you out. I can say the pivot table example is a little tricky. Even I was looking at it, and I would set it up such that you have your color type and then your colors in the rows, and then just do a sum on each of those for the yards and meters, and you should get the numbers. And then when it asks for the min and max, you can just change the value settings to min and max to get those. And that's pretty much it. The rest of the assignment has instructions built into it, so I don't really need to send you a file or anything like that. So this is it, folks. This semester went pretty darn fast. Let's take it slow, enjoy it, and then we'll have our final exam, which I'll give you an overview of what to focus in on. And again, it only covers the second half of the class from week 7 on, so you don't have to worry about it being cumulative in any way. Alrighty, some of you have already got snow in the Northeast. That's crazy. It's still like 75, 80 degrees here in Okinawa, which is nice. And we got our big turkey day coming up this week, so hopefully you get to enjoy some time with your family and friends. And try not to do any schoolwork on that day. Take a day off. Alrighty, that's it, folks. Any questions, just ask.